how to change the air filter in your Cadillac Escalade and GMC Yukon Denali. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. To change the air filter, you only need one tool. You'll need a T25 Torx Screwdriver. So to get into the air box, we'll need to loosen 4 T25 Torx screws. This one here, one down here at the corner, one here, and one here. So I'm going to get these screws out, lift up the cover, and we should be able to get to the air filter. Just lift it up and pull out the filter. This is a great time if there's any leaves or dirt in the air box to go ahead and vacuum it out. So just grab your new filter, put it in, line up the top with the base, and reinstall the 4 screws. And this job is done. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.